In 2025, technology evolves at breakneck speed. Imagine your workday transformed. Picture arriving at your desk and all those mundane, repetitive tasks that used to consume your mornings, they're already done before you sit down at your desk. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. At Clear Sky Technologies, we've witnessed this transformation firsthand. Our implementation of robotic process automation, or RPA, helped our clients achieve a staggering 300% boost in productivity. But here's the billion-dollar question that keeps business leaders awake at night. Will AI replace humans in the workplace? Let's rewind to 2010. The business landscape was drastically different. Manual data entry, repetitive paperwork, and time-consuming processes were the norm. Fast forward to today, and we're witnessing a revolution led by RPA and AI. Industry giants like Microsoft, IBM, and UiPath are at the forefront of this transformation. But at Clear Sky Technologies, we've chosen Python RPA as our preferred tool, enabling us to create custom solutions that perfectly align with our clients' needs. Our journey into automation excellence began with a simple goal: to eliminate the mundane and empower human potential. What we discovered along the way would reshape our understanding of work itself. The fears of workers losing their jobs to automation are rooted in a misunderstanding of how progress has shaped the workforce throughout history. Let's explore history a little deeper to help understand what we may be facing today. In the Industrial Revolution, new technologies like steam power and mechanical looms did indeed replace some jobs, but they also created new ones, like machine repair and factory management. In the computer age, the introduction of mainframes and mini-computers led to the development of new professions like programming, data analysis, and IT support. While some jobs became redundant, others emerged to address the challenges posed by these new technologies. Historically, technological advancements are often followed by an increase in productivity and economic growth, leading to the creation of new job opportunities and industries. For example, the growth of the internet has enabled e-commerce, online education, and remote work, all of which have transformed the way businesses operate as new job openings have emerged. Similarly, the current RPA and AI revolution is expected to augment human capabilities, freeing workers from mundane tasks and enabling them to focus on higher value tasks that instead require creativity, empathy, and problem-solving skills. History suggests that as technology continues to advance, the number of jobs may change, but the demand for skilled workers will only continue to grow. The technical challenges ahead in 2025 are significant. Legacy systems don't always play nice with new technology. Data security concerns keep IT departments on high alert. And perhaps most critically, we're facing a growing skills gap between current workforce capabilities and future needs. The economic equation isn't simple either. The initial investment in automation technology can be substantial, but the long-term benefits are undeniable. Enter the era of digital coworkers, AI-powered assistants that don't replace humans but enhance their capabilities. The magic happens when human creativity meets robotic precision. We've seen teams solve problems that seemed impossible just months ago, combining the power of RPA with human intuition and innovation. Our 5-year journey at Clear Sky Technologies has revealed a fundamental truth. The future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. The formula is elegantly simple. RPA handles routine tasks, AI tackles complexity, and humans drive creativity and innovation. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects this combination will generate $1.81 trillion in business value by the year 2030. The metrics don't lie. Productivity has soared, employee satisfaction has reached new heights, and innovation has accelerated beyond our wildest expectations. For business leaders ready to embrace this future, we've developed an RPA starter kit for analyzing your most time-consuming processes and estimating the ROI savings from automation. Using this free tool, it will be clear which processes should be automated. It will also lay out a framework to follow when implementing your automation solution. Click the link in the description below to download your free copy. The Clear Sky Technologies implementation framework for RPA and AI has been battle-tested across industries. We've refined it to ensure seamless integration and maximum impact. The future of work isn't coming, it's here. And the question isn't whether to adapt, but how quickly you can embrace this transformation. If you're as excited for 2025 as I am, let's have a one-on-one meeting and talk about your dreams and how we might be able to help make them a reality this year. Hit the link in the description below and to set a time to talk with me personally, and we'll explore together. Remember, the most successful businesses of tomorrow won't be those who resist change, but those who harness it. The future is collaborative, efficient, and incredibly human. Are you ready to be a part of it? Your business deserves better. Let's make it happen together. See you on the next one.